And why do you still have periods during menopause? Technically, if you're still having periods, you have not completed menopause yet. During perimenopause, that time frame leading up to menopause, the release of estrogen from your ovaries becomes less and less predictable. Some months the ovaries might release an egg, other months they may not. So sometimes your periods can get very unpredictable. You may have heavier bleeding, you may have lighter bleeding, you may bleed every month or multiple times a month, or you may skip months completely. This irregular bleeding is related to the irregular fashion in which the ovaries are releasing its estrogen. So if you're still having a period, you haven't yet completed menopause. We can say that you're done menopause and you've actually completed menopause once you've gone through 12 months without any kind of period or cyclic bleeding.